Well, finding the right cancer treatment can be so difficult. So many patients are looking for a treatment with the least amount of side effects possible and, of course, the best results. Our next guest has some technology that may offer just that. Dr. John Kressel of Phoenix Cyberknife Center is here with how they can help. Welcome back, Dr. Kressel.
Thank you.
Always love to have you here because I know that a lot of people who are watching haven't heard about Cyberknife, which is mind-blowing. So explain to us what it is.
Well, Cyberknife is the most accurate form of radiation therapy. It's the only type of radiation therapy where the radiation beam will actually move with the patient. All other forms of radiation therapy, the beam is fixed. So because of that, a lot of times you're treating more tissue. You have to treat a bigger area because you don't want to miss the target instead of moving with the target. So it's a form of radiation therapy along with chemo and surgery that we use to cure cancer patients.
Wow. Okay. Walk us through what a treatment might be like.
Well, all of the treatments are done in 5 days or less.
Okay.
Some are done in just one treatment. And that's because we can deliver such a high dose of radiation therapy so precisely and avoid the radiation going to surrounding normal tissues and avoid the side effects. Then in many instances, for example, like prostate cancer, instead of 9 weeks of radiation therapy, we can deliver it in 5 days.
That is amazing. And you know, we're actually looking at this is your actual facility here.
Yes.
This person here, what type of cancer does she have that requires her to have this face net on?
So that face mask is used to keep them still, and this is for treating a type of bloodless brain surgery, for treating a brain tumor.
Wow.
And as you can see, the linear accelerator or the source of the radiation beam is on the end of a robotic arm, and that's the unique part of Cyberknife, which is the only kind of the radiation beam then moving to match the position of the target or the position of the patient.
So you're getting your patients in. A lot of other physicians are referring you in. A lot of other patients are somehow, finding you by doing some of their own research. A big question I think you get asked a lot is this covered by insurance?
Absolutely. It's covered by Medicare and the providers. And in some disease sites, particularly lung, it is the preferred Category 1 treatment option.
Wow. Okay, that's really interesting. What type of cancers can you treat?
Every type of cancer from head to toe has been treated with Cyberknife. It's not for everybody, and that's why it's important to see if it's an option for you.
Yeah, I was going to ask you if everyone is a good candidate, but the answer to that is no?
Not everybody, no.
Okay, how do you find out if you are?
Well, hopefully the physicians that are taking care of you are trained in Cyberknife and know a little bit about it. And can talk to you about that. Okay. Many times they're not. There's not a lot of physicians that are trained in radiosurgery or Cyberknife radiosurgery. Okay. So, second opinions and helping get that information is important because I've seen too many patients every week who weren't given the option of Cyberknife.
Wow, and the alternative can be quite invasive. We're going to be talking with Lee, who is one of your patients. He had prostate cancer. One of the options he was given was planting seeds with radioactive seeds inside his prostate, which you said was a quite common type of procedure, very invasive.
It still is. It's something that we offer. I do that also, but implanting radioactive seeds is a form of surgery. And invasive.
Yes.
And has a whole different profile of recovery and potential side effects.
Well, Lee chose a different option, and we're going to meet Lee coming up just a few minutes and hear his amazing story. So if you have any questions for Phoenix Cyberknife and Radiation Oncology Center, you can email them info@pcroc.com. They're located at 4611 East Shea Boulevard. That is in Phoenix. Here's a number to call, 602-441-3845. You can also learn more off the website. Visit phoenixcyberknifecenter.com.